You gotta see this one.
Cut a wire made of liquid metal, and it may heal in under 1 second. No heat, no glue. It flows back together on its own. NC State's Michael Dickey has been central to documenting this behavior in EGaIn, a gallium-indium alloy that stays liquid at room temperature. The key is a gallium oxide skin, 1 to 3 nanometers thick, that forms in milliseconds when the metal meets air. It works on a principle similar to surface tension, except this material conducts electricity. At Carnegie Mellon, Carmel Majidi's Soft Machines Lab has demonstrated gallium-based conductors stretched to extreme elongation without breaking, though long-term real-world durability is still being established. One target is neural implants that must survive the brain's constant micromotion. Today's rigid devices can fail within months. Researchers suggest liquid metal circuits could help address that, though implant-ready versions remain in early development. The 2021 Nature Materials paper from Hong Kong, Ma et al., established fiber mat architectures as a validated platform, accumulating over 740 citations in roughly 5 years. Millions of Americans live with implanted cardiac devices that can require revision surgery when rigid circuits degrade inside the body, a problem flexible conductors are being actively researched to address. Consumer electronics face a parallel challenge. Flex circuit failures contribute to significant device replacement costs industry-wide, though precise global figures vary widely across estimates. The shadow over all of this. China controls over 95% of global gallium refining, and Beijing's 2023 export restrictions have already constrained Western supply chains in defense and semiconductors. When public grants are combined with analyst estimates of DARPA, ARPA-H, EU Horizon, Chinese government, and disclosed corporate R&D, cumulative global investment is assessed at $680 to $920 million through 2026, though that broader figure is an analyst projection, not a confirmed total. Whether this reaches patients or stays locked in a supply chain choke point depends on decisions being made right now.
Follow for daily signals.